Hallo Leute, willkommen zurück zu einem neuen Video. Welcome back to a new video. My name is Steffi and this video is about colors in German. Today you will learn German colors and their articles, when to capitalize colors and when it is lowercase, how to use colors in a sentence. Is this a rosa Stift or a rosaner Stift? And we will end the video with a quiz. Let's find out how much you know about colors in German. Okay, let's start. When do you capitalize colors in German and when is it lowercase? A color can be a noun, ein Nomen, or an adjective, ein Adjektiv. If the color is an adjective, then it's lowercase. Remember, an adjective describes something. Wie ist es? How is it? Die Sonnenblume riecht gut. Das Buch ist interessant. Ich bin orange. Aha! So in this sentence, orange is an adjective. It describes how something is. How is it? It is orange. Orange. Let's look at more examples. Die Ampel ist gelb. Seine Augen sind blau. Und das T-Shirt ist lila. In these examples, all colors are adjectives. They are lowercase, but colors can be also nouns, Nomen. And how do you recognize this? How can you tell that a color is a noun? Here are some indicators. You can tell by Artikel, the article, der, die or das. You can tell by a preposition, einer Präposition. For example, auf, in, bei, für, and so on. You can also tell by a Fürwort, a pronoun, mein, dein, ihr, and so on. And it's also easy to spot if there is another adjective in the sentence. For example, groß, hell, and so on. Schauen wir uns hierzu mal ein paar Beispiele an. Let's have a look at some examples. Artikel. Gute Nachrichten. I have great news for you. Colors are always neuter. Farben sind immer neutral. This means that we always use the article das. Woohoo! Isn't that cool? For example, ich mag das Blau in dem Bild. Ich mag das Blau in dem Bild. I like the blue in this picture. Das is our article and blue is a noun. We have to capitalize it here. Other colors are das Gelb, das Rot, das Schwarz, das Weiß, das Orange, das Rosa, das Grün. Apropos grün, the color grün. This is a very interesting color, grün. I know that many German learners struggle to pronounce grün. Grün. So let's break it down quickly. We have two consonants, G and R. Grr, grr. And it's followed by an umlaut, Ü. Ü. Grün. The letter Ü is one of four special letters that we have in German. It's called an umlaut, Ü. And I have a special trick for you. If you struggle with pronouncing umlauts like the letter Ü, take a pen. You have to take the pen in your mouth and then you pronounce the word. And if you say Ü, the tip of your tongue has to touch the pen. If it doesn't touch it, you don't pronounce it correctly. And this is a great way how to practice it. So, grün, 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 grün. It's grün. Okay, but let's go back to the colors. You can also tell that the color is a noun if it's written with a preposition. einer Präposition. Halt! Die Ampel steht auf Rot.
Oh, danke.
Auf is the preposition and Rot is the color red. And it's capitalized because it's a noun. You can tell by the preposition auf.
Haben Sie den Rucksack auch in einer anderen Farbe?
Ja, den Rucksack gibt es auch noch in braun und in lila. Ich hol sie mal her. Our preposition here is in. The colors brown and lila are capitalized because they are nouns. And nouns are always capitalized. And here is an example von Fürwort, a pronoun. Ich mag Sonnenblumen, besonders ihr Gelb. So as you can see, it's very easy to spot. We have a pronoun in this sentence, ihr, and that's how you can tell that Gelb is a noun, and we have to capitalize it here as well. And that's it. No, wait, that's not it. We can also tell that the color is a noun if it's written with another adjective. What do I mean with that? Let's have a look at this sentence. Ich mag das helle Rosa ihres Fahrrades. Ich mag das helle Rosa ihres Fahrrades. Hell is an adjective. And don't worry, it does not have the same meaning like in English, hell. Hell in German means bright. So don't get confused by it. As you can see, hell is followed by the color. So we have an adjective, hell, and the color rosa is a noun here. Again, we have to capitalize it. Okay, but how do we actually use colors in a sentence? That's what we're going to talk about now. Die Grundfarben, these are the primary colors like Rot, Gelb, Blau, Grün and Weiß, are used in a sentence like every other adjective. And how to use adjectives in a sentence, that's one topic for a different video. We're gonna cover the whole topic there, but let's look at one example. Das ist ein blaues Kleid. So blau has to be declined, so we have to match it to the rest of the sentence. Kleid is a neuter, that's why it's blaues Kleid. But more to it in the other video. Today we're gonna talk about the exceptions. Which colors are not used like every other adjective. And these exceptions are rosa and lila. Don't touch them. Never ever touch lila and rosa. They like to stay the way they are. Das ist ein rosa Stift und nicht rosaner Stift. Don't touch the rosa, it stays the same. Das ist ein rosa Stift. Und das ist ein lila Buch. Nicht lilanes Buch. Das ist ein lila Buch. So it stays untouched. And these are the most important rules about colors in German. Are you brave enough to participate in the following quiz? You will get 1 point for each correct answer. Let's find out how many points you can get. Shall we? Let's start. Question number 1. Die Ampel ist grün, grün or blau. Die Ampel ist. Question number 2 is, gibt es das T-Shirt auch in blau, blaue or blau capitalized? And the last question, number 3 is, die Tasche gefällt mir. Die lila Tasche gefällt mir. Die lilane Tasche gefällt mir. Or die lilanes Tasche gefällt mir. What do we have to use here? And here are the answers. Die Ampel ist grün. Grün is lowercase. If your answer was 1A, You got 1 point. Congratulations. Answer number 2 is: Gibt es das T-Shirt auch in Blau? Blau is capitalized. In this sentence, it is a noun and you can tell by the preposition in. So if your answer was 2C, the capitalized blue, you get another point. And the last question was about the color purple, lila. And the correct answer is: Die lila Tasche gefällt mir. Remember, it is untouched, it doesn't like to be touched. Lila stays the way it is. So it is: Die lila Tasche gefällt mir. So you get another point if your answer was 3A. Let me know in the comments how many points you got. And that's it for today. Macht's gut, Leute. Take care, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter. You can find the link under the video. Und das war's. Tschüss. Lerne Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Lerne Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Lerne Deutsch.